What's the deal? 9:53 p.m. It's August 13th. And if your bank has been stimulated, put those plastics in the air. If your baby mama's flexing on you because she's going to take your money, your stimulus money, hit that like button. So what's up with ACB? ACB's doing a stock split. It's a reverse stock split. It's a 12-1, so for every 12 shares you have, you'll get one ACB. So yeah, here is an article about that. Aurora Cannabis will roll up its shares in a reverse stock split. Here's what you need to know. Canadian pot company was facing delisting by New York Stock Exchange as shares traded for less than $1. After Aurora Cannabis Inc. shares sagged so much that the New York Stock Exchange threatened to drop the stock from its listings, the Canadian pot company said Monday it will consolidate its shares. Aurora was a popular investment amid the boom in Canadian marijuana stocks that coincided with the 2018 recreational legalization of pot in Canada, amassing a huge pool of investors eager to own some of more than 1 billion shares outstanding. Yeah, so it's insane what's going on with ACB. Well, the whole Canadian pot sector is going to shit right now. I did, trade all my... I sold all my stocks, what I had in my Robinhood. I did have like over 400 shares of ACB. I sold them like at 150 something. I'll look into it in a bit. In fact, I'll just look into it right now. I have some Robinhoods right here. ACB. ACB. Yeah, so here on the Robinhood, the first article that's coming out and the recent news, it says Aurora Cannabis shares fall on reverse stock split plan. Yeah, so right now, Aurora Cannabis is a 16% buy on Robinhood. That's the problem with you. You always doubted me. Yeah, despite what the fuck I show you. Alright, so yeah, you can see I've been trading ACB like crazy. But this video is not about that. So my last trade was January 13th. I sold all my 450 shares of Aurora Cannabis after watching this video basically about the virus. The video was basically saying there was an unknown virus sweeping through China, yada yada yada, but they made it sound really gloomy, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna just take my stuff out. I already lost a lot of money trading stocks, and yeah, I lost a lot of money with these damn issues that some of these Canadian pot companies were having. Cantras was doing all kinds of illegal shit, and yeah, so many scandals were happening. So yeah, so my entered price was 152. I sold 450 shares, and this was on January 13, 2020 at 9:44 a.m. Yeah. That's what my Aurora Cannabis looks like. This is what my chart looks like. All mainly pot stocks. I started trading Cantrust up here. Bam! So let's get back to the article. Aurora said that it would grant shareholders 1 share for every 12 currently outstanding, reducing the amount of shares from more than 1.3 billion to roughly 110 million, but also issue even more stock, diluting shares more than 30%, according to an analyst estimate. U.S. traded shares of Aurora fell 13% on Monday. When Aurora bundles 12 shares into one, it plans to round up or down to the nearest whole share instead of paying cash for shares that are left over. This could be important to smaller individual investors who do not own many shares. The company did not immediately respond when asked if investors with fewer than 6 shares would receive one new share. The company said it expects to consolidate shares around May 11th, at which point the stock will begin trading at the new consolidated price. So that's it, y'all. Peace. ACB reverse stock split coming to a theater near you. Hit that subscribe button, and that's it.